Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I start this pattern, and this is a reverse pattern, a triangle pattern, and this is a alphabetic pattern because in each row alphabets are constantly repeated. So when you have a row wise pattern, you always print the outer loop variable in the print statement. सो वी यूज्ड नेस्टेड फॉर लूप टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पैटर्न. तो सबसे पहले हम इसमें डिक्लेयर करेंगे इंटीजर टाइप टू वेरिएबल आई एंड जे, एंड आफ्टर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल वी क्रिएट आर आउटर फॉर लूप. So firstly we create outer for loop, and we take three parameter in outer for loop. Firstly we initialize the variable, second we check the condition, and third we increment or decrement the values of a variable. So firstly we initialize I equals to 4 and check condition if I greater than equals to 0 and I decrement to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameter. Firstly we initialize j variable equals to 0 and check condition if j less than equals to I, and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print outer loop variable I plus 65 because the sky value of capital A is 65, and when we have a row wise pattern we always print the outer loop variable. So we have outer loop variable that is I, so we print I plus 65 with the help of printf function, and outside this inner for loop we used backslash n for new lines. So when completing each row, cursor will automatically move to the next line. So when you compile this program, there is no error in this program, and when you run this program, the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, and this is an efficient and simplest way to learn or understand this pattern. And if you have any concern related to this pattern, you can text me in the comment section, and I hope you understand the logic behind this pattern. And have a great day, work hard, and success will be yours, and best of luck for your future preparations. And if you have any concern related to your placement related to technology, you can give the your suggestion, your opinion about my YouTube channel. and thank you. आप इसी तरीके से मेहनत करते रहिए because pattern is a concept that is most importantly when you sit in your interview. And if you are a technical person, then you have the ability to crack your pattern type question because this is the logical type concept. So I hope you understand. So like, share, and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. And share my YouTube channel more and more with your friends, relatives, colleagues, and thank you.